4th October 2020 Madhuban Avyakta Babdada Om Shanti Revise 29th March 1986 Murli's heading Babdada's heart-to-heart conversation with double foreign children. Today, Babdada emerged all the double foreign children from everywhere into the subtle region and saw the specialities of all children. All of you children are special souls, which is why you now belong to the Father. That is, you have become those with elevated fortune. All of you are special, but nevertheless, you would still be said to be number-wise. So, today, Babdada was especially seeing the double foreign children. Whilst coming from different customs, systems, and beliefs, you have come to accept in a short time one belief and to follow the directions of one. Babdada is especially seeing two specialities in the majority of you children. First is that you very quickly became bound by the relationship of love. The relationship of love has helped you very much in belonging to the godly family and to the Father. So, first is the speciality of becoming loving, and secondly, because of love, you easily put the power of transformation into your practical lives. You are moving forward very well with love for self transformation, and along with that, the transformation of those like you. You have imbibed the specialities of both the power of love and the power of transformation with the courage and are showing the proof of that very well. Today, Bap and Dada had a conversation between themselves in a subtle region about specialities of the children. Now, this year's season of Avyakta meetings in the Vyakta means corporeal form and the Mela means gatherings of meetings is coming to an end. So, Babdada was seeing everyone's result. Generally, there is a constant meeting in the Avyakta form with the Avyakta stage anyway, and it will always be there. However, the times for meetings in the corporeal form have to be fixed, and the limitations of time have to be considered for this. There are no limitations of time in meetings in the Avyakta form. Each one of you can celebrate a meeting for as long as you want. By experiencing Avyakta power, you can make yourself and service constantly move forward. Nevertheless, according to the fixed time, although this year's season is now coming to an end, you are not coming to an end, but you are becoming complete. To meet means to become complete. You are becoming equal, are you not? So, it is not the end, although the time of the season is coming to an end. You yourself have become equal and complete, and this is why Bap Dada was very pleased to bring all the double foreign children from everywhere into the subtle region. Some can come in the corporeal form, whereas others cannot. This is why you send your photos or your letters. However, Babdada can easily make a gathering from everywhere emerge in the Avyakta form. If everyone were invited to come and stay here, all the facilities for everyone to stay here would be needed. In the Avyakta region, there is no need for all those physical facilities. There, if you were to gather not just the double foreign children, but even the children from the whole of Bharat, it would feel like an unlimited Avyakta region, no matter how many hundreds of thousands there are there. It would still seem as though you are only seeing a small gathering. So today, Baba only emerged the double foreigners in the subtle region. Babdada was seeing that although you have different customs and systems, you have progressed very well with your determined thoughts. The majority of you are moving along with zeal and enthusiasm. Of course, there are still some who will always show their games, but the result Baba saw was that you used to be a lot more confused until last year. However, in this year's result, Baba saw that many children were stronger now than they were last year. Babdada still saw some children who show him their games. You still play games of being confused, do you not? If you were to take a video at that time and then sit and watch it, you would feel as if it were a drama. However, it is different from before. Now, those who have become experienced are also becoming mature. So, Baba saw in the result that your love for the study and enthusiasm for remembrance easily transform the different customs, systems, and beliefs. For the people of Bharat, transformation is easy. They know the deities and they have mixed knowledge of the scriptures, and so the beliefs are not that new for the people of Bharat. Overall, out of all the children everywhere, Baba saw souls whose intellects had such faith that they were unshakable and immovable. Those whose intellect have such faith also become examples to enable others to have intellects with such faith. Whilst living at home with your families, you transform your vision and attitude with your powerful thoughts. Baba saw such special jewels. Even those children who were previously completely ignored in their temporary facilities and temporary happiness according to their own customs, etc., are now moving along in the line of intense effort makers and are constantly bringing about transformation day and night. Even if there aren't that many, they are still good. Babdada gives the example of Jhatko, means those who perform a sacrifice with one strike. In the same way, after your mind has thought about renunciation, your vision is not drawn back. There were still such ones. Today, Baba was looking at the total result. Whilst looking at the powerful souls, Bab and Dada smiled and had a heart to heart conversation about how two types of Brahma creation are remembered. First are the Brahmins that have emerged from the mouth of Brahma. The other creation is the world that Brahma created with his thoughts. Father Brahma had elevated powerful thoughts for such a long time. Although there are both Bap and Dada, the creation would not be called the creation of Shiva. You are called the dynasty of Shiva. You are not called Shiv Kumars and Shiv Kumaris. You are called Brahma Kumars and Brahma Kumaris. So Brahma especially invoked you with elevated thoughts. That is, he created creation. So you have arrived here in the corporeal form through the invocations of powerful thoughts of Father Brahma. The creation of thoughts is no less. The thoughts had to be powerful because the children had to be brought from far away into his family from behind the different curtains. Such elevated, powerful thoughts inspired you and brought you close. Therefore, this creation made through powerful thoughts is also powerful. Many of you had the experience of someone especially inspiring your intellect and bringing you close because of the powerful thoughts of Brahma. As soon as you see the picture of Brahma, you experience it to be alive. You are moving forward by experiencing a life relationship. So, Babdada was pleased to see the creation. You will now continue to give the practical proof of an even more powerful creation. In terms of the time of double foreign service, the time of childhood is now over. It is now time to become experienced and to make others unshakable and immovable and to give others an experience. The time for playing games is now over. Now be constantly powerful and continue to make weak souls powerful. If you have sanskars of weakness, you will make others weak too. There is little time and the maximum creation is going to come. Don't be happy with just this quantity, thinking that there are now many. The quantity is now only going to increase. However, the time you have been taking and the method of your sustenance are now going to change. There was a difference in the 50 years of sustenance received by those of the Golden Jubilee and by those of the Silver Jubilee. In the same way, there will continue to be a difference for those who come later. So, make them powerful in a short time. Of course, there will be their own elevated feelings anyway. However, all of you also have to help them to move forward with your relationships and connections in a short time so that they will easily have the enthusiasm and courage to move forward. This service is now going to increase a great deal. It is no longer the time to accumulate power just for yourself, because along with power for yourself, you also have to accumulate so much power for others that you are able to give them cooperation. You mustn't become those who just take cooperation, but also become those who give cooperation. For those who have already been there for 2 years, those 2 years are not a small thing. You have to experience everything in a short time. You show in the picture of the tree that even the souls who come at the end definitely have to pass through the 4 stages, and that it doesn't matter whether they take 10 to 12 births or however many births. So, even those who come at the end have to experience all the powers in a short time. You have to experience a student life as well as being a server. Servers don't just have to give courses and give lectures. A server means constantly to give the cooperation of zeal and enthusiasm to cooperate in making others powerful. You have to pass in all subjects in a short time. Only when you do everything at such a fast speed will you be able to reach your destination. Therefore, you have to cooperate with one another. You mustn't have yoga with one another. Don't start having yoga with one another. By giving constant cooperation, a cooperative soul brings others close to the Father and makes them equal. You mustn't make others equal to yourself, but equal to the Father. Leave all your weaknesses here. Do not take them back with you to foreign lands. You have to become powerful souls and make others powerful. Let this determined thought be constantly in your awareness. Acha, Baba is especially giving love filled remembrance to all the children everywhere, to the elevated souls who are constantly loving, cooperative, and powerful. Bab Dada's love remembrance and namaste. The spiritual children says namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. All of you have the happiness that even though there is variety, you all now belong to the one. Do you not? There are now no longer different directions. You are the elevated souls who follow God's directions. The language of Brahmins is the same. You belong to the one Father and you have to give the knowledge of the one Father to everyone and make them belong to the Father. This is such a big and elevated family. Wherever you go, whichever country you go to, you have the intoxication that you are at home there. A service center means you are home. There wouldn't be anyone else who would have so many homes. If anyone asks you where people of your acquaintance are, you would say that they are all over the world. Wherever you go, there is your family. You have a right to the unlimited. You have become servers. To be a server means to be one who has all rights. You have this unlimited spiritual happiness. Now every place is growing with its powerful stage. At first, it takes a little effort. Then, when a few examples are created, others who see them easily continue to move forward. Babdada repeatedly reminds all of you children of this elevated thought. You yourself constantly have to maintain zeal and enthusiasm for having remembrance and doing service and continue to move forward at a fast speed in happiness and also continue to enable others to move in the same way with zeal and enthusiasm. Baba has received photos and letters from all the children everywhere who haven't been able to come here physically. In response to everyone, Bab Dada is giving everyone multi-million fold love and remembrance from the heart. However, much zeal and enthusiasm you have now. Increase that multi-million fold. Some have even written about their weaknesses. So, Baba says to them, to write to Baba means to give them to Baba. So, don't keep with you anything that you have given away. Once you have given away your weaknesses, do not recall them even in your thoughts. Thirdly, never become disheartened with your own sanskars. The sanskars of the gathering or any upheaval in the atmosphere. Always experience the Father to be combined with you. From being disheartened, become powerful and continue to fly ahead. When karmic accounts are settled, it means a burden has been removed. Continue to burn away the burdens of the past in happiness. Babdada always cooperate with you children. Do not think too much best thoughts to make you weak. If you have a lot of best thoughts, read a Murli 2 or 4 times, churn it and continue to study it, and one point or another will then sit in your intellect. Continue to accumulate power from having pure thoughts and waste will end. Do you understand? Special inspirations from Bapdada. Everywhere, whether abroad or in this land, there are many small places. According to the present time, they are ordinary, but the children are full of all treasures. There are many who have hoped for a long time on their behalf to take the instrument children on a tour there, but their desire has not been fulfilled. Bab Dada is fulfilling that desire. Make special plans for the Maharati children so that they go to ignite the lamps of hope in others. Babdada is giving special time to awaken the lamps of hope. All of you, Maharathi children, together should share out the different areas to go to and fulfill the hopes of the children in the villages who are not able to come here because of the time. You go to the main places because they have big programs, but the programs that they do in the little places according to their capacity are their big programs. Their bhavna means loving feelings is their biggest function. Babdada has had a request from many such children in a file for a long time and Babdada wishes to complete this file. Baba is giving Maharathi children a special chance for them to become rulers of the globe. So, do not say Dadi should go to all places. No. If one Dadi goes everywhere, it would take 5 years. Would you then accept it? If Bab Dada were not to come for 5 years, it would not be good if Bab Dada's meeting happens here, it means in Madhuban, and Dadi is on a tour. So make a program for the Maharathis. Make a program to go to the places where no one has yet been. This year, wherever you go, especially serve the public one day and have a tapasya program for the Brahmins another day. Do not just go to the public functions and come back running. As much as possible, create programs through which there is special refreshment for them. Along with this, let there be programs where you can connect with the VIPs, but let them be short programs. Make such programs where Brahmins can receive the power of zeal and enthusiasm and can also be filled with courage and enthusiasm to become free from obstacles. So, Baba is giving time for you to make a program of going on a tour everywhere because according to the time, the circumstances are also changing and will continue to change. Therefore, now complete the file. Acha. Blessing. May you be an easy effort maker who makes the atmosphere spiritual with your elevated stage of spirituality. Explanation. With your stage of spirituality, make the atmosphere at your service place spiritual so that there can easily be progress for yourself and for the souls who are to come. This is because all of those who come are tired of the atmosphere outside and they need extra cooperation. Therefore, give them the cooperation of spiritual atmosphere. Let each soul who comes experience it to be a place where they can easily make progress. Slogan. Become a bestower of blessings and continue to give blessings of good wishes and pure feelings. Om Shanti.